I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete videos on MX Takatak. For that, you'll need to open up your MX Takatak app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. There you'll see the videos that you have posted. Select the video that you want to delete. After you have selected the video that you want to delete, tap on the three dot icon, which is on your right hand side. There at the bottom you'll see the option of delete. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. If you are sure you want to delete the video, tap on yes, delete. This way you can delete videos on MX Takatak. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.